Sony Marvel's Spider-Man No Way Home opened exclusively in Jamaica yesterday. Now, the highly awaited film opened to over 15 international markets on Wednesday and grossed US $44 million on the first day. The mega blockbuster is expected to pass projections by the weekend despite COVID-19 restrictions. Now, on Thursday, local A-listers were treated to an advanced showing, all courtesy of car manufacturer Hyundai. This as the Hyundai 2022 Tucson is featured in the film. Marketing manager at Hyundai Jamaica, Edmore Williams, spoke to the excitement for the high profiling of the brand.
Hyundai's featured in the movie with our game-changer SUV. That's the Hyundai Tucson. We wanted to invite special invited guests, influencers, some of our customers and the media to brag about it.
Spider-Man No Way Home is a must-watch. Media company Warner Music Group on Thursday revealed that it had acquired 300 Entertainment, the music label behind US megastars Mary J. Blige, Megan Thee Stallion, Young Thug, and Fetty Wap. According to Reuters, the deal is around $400 million. 300 Entertainment was founded by veteran music executives, including Lear Cohen, who is currently the global head of music at Alphabet Inc.'s Google and YouTube, and was formerly at Warner Music. Now, remember to go watch Spider-Man this weekend, and of course, when you get home, it's all about Fame Frequency Color Code. I am Daedra reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.